We see the Scottish Power logo and text on screen reads Careers at. We see Scottish Power engineers and workers in an office and the inside of a control room. We see a woman. Text on screen reads Helen, Head of Environment.
I was attracted to work for Scottish Power because of their commitment to renewable energy, and I just really wanted to be a part of that company driving the change in the energy industry.
I think it's important that everyone
We see an offshore substation.
has some faith for 100% green energy to become the norm.
We see a woman. Text on screen reads Pooja, Commercial Services Manager.
For the future, so any company, any sector taking the first step in that direction
We see Scottish Power workers sitting in a presentation.
is already earning people's trust.
Always that opportunity.
We see a man. Text on screen reads Marcus, Project Unit Manager.
to develop and face new challenges.
Knowing that I work for a company that
We see a woman. Text on screen reads Robin, Planning and Environmental Analyst.
is creating renewable energy, and it's really trying to make a difference for the whole world. The most satisfying part that I get from my job.
We get to work with really great new technologies, which is
We see a woman. Text on screen reads Philippa, Chief Digital Product Owner.
I think something that keeps you on your toes a little bit and it keeps things interesting.
We're making decisions, complex decisions on a daily basis, but we're also quite agile.
I'm finding kind of working post-COVID times to be a lot easier than I would have ever imagined it could be.
We all know what it is we want to try to achieve.
We see a man. Text on screen reads Mark, Senior Business Analyst.
And we'll work really hard to try and do it.
We're fortunate enough that I've got really just nice people to work with.
I believe
We see a man. Text on screen reads Rakesh, Senior Digital and Transformation Engineer.
that people make Scottish Power.
We see a woman. Text on screen reads Stephanie, Media Relations Manager.
There's a lot of very experienced people around.
There's a drive to identify people who want to progress, and there's a willingness to train people up.
Another thing that I'm quite passionate about is the mentoring programme at Scottish Power. I personally am both a mentor and a mentee, and I think that there's loads of great initiatives that are similar or related to that.
Training is important, but actually Scottish Power gives you amazing on-the-job opportunities.
Anyone who is wanting to kind of come in and take ownership of work for themselves and for the business, it's a great place to work.
Anyone with an open mind will succeed here. I think we offer so many different disciplines.
We see a man. Text on screen reads Andrew, Commercial Services Manager.
So many different service offerings, even as a business, that I couldn't put it down to one type of person. I think it's just really that open mind and that enthusiasm that would carry you through here.
In terms of the different businesses we've got here, as well as the global opportunity that's available, it's something that you can start your career here doing and then blossom into something even bigger.
Text on screen reads Filmed in 2020, including studio and remote filming under COVID-19 restrictions.